原来，原来。
original,
original.
按原来的计划，我们先去上海，然后去北京。按原来的计划，我们先去上海，然后去北京。
according to the original plan, we would go to Shanghai first and then to Beijing.
According to the original plan, we would go to Shanghai first and then to Beijing.
我们必须改变原来的计划以符合市场需求。我们必须改变原来的计划以符合市场需求。
We had to change our original plans to meet market demand.
We had to change our original plans to meet market demand.
原来是你偷了我的钱。原来是你偷了我的钱。
It turns out you stole my money.
It turns out you stole my money.
原来这一切都是你做的。原来这一切都是你做的。
It turns out you did all this.
It turns out you did all this.
计划，计划。
Plan. Intend to.
Plan. Intend to.
暑假快到了，你有什么计划吗？暑假快到了，你有什么计划吗？
Summer vacation is coming, do you have any plans?
Summer vacation is coming, do you have any plans?
他们计划明年结婚。他们计划明年结婚。
They plan to get married next year.
They plan to get married next year.
做事要有计划，这样才能容易完成。做事要有计划，这样才能容易完成。
Do things with a plan so that they can be easily accomplished.
Do things with a plan so that they can be easily accomplished.
提前，提前。
In advance. Ahead of time.
In advance. Ahead of time.
我们必须提前做好准备，以应对未来的变化。我们必须提前做好准备，以应对未来的变化。
We must prepare in advance to cope with future changes.
We must prepare in advance to cope with future changes.
路上堵车非常严重，我们不得不提前2个小时出发。路上堵车非常严重，我们不得不提前2个小时出发。
The traffic jam on the road was so serious that we had to leave 2 hours early.
The traffic jam on the road was so serious that we had to leave 2 hours early.
我已经提前在餐厅预订了座位。我已经提前在餐厅预订了座位。
I've made a reservation at the restaurant in advance.
I've made a reservation at the restaurant in advance.
为了提前完成任务，他每天都加班。为了提前完成任务，他每天都加班。
In order to complete the task ahead of schedule, he works overtime every day.
In order to complete the task ahead of schedule, he works overtime every day.
保证，保证。
Guarantee.
Guarantee.
我保证在下周3之前完成任务。我保证在下周3之前完成任务。
I promise to complete the task by next Wednesday.
I promise to complete the task by next Wednesday.
我向你保证这个消息是正确的。我向你保证这个消息是正确的。
I assure you this news is correct.
I assure you this news is correct.
我不能保证这个实验一定会成功。我不能保证这个实验一定会成功。
I can't guarantee that this experiment will be successful.
I can't guarantee that this experiment will be successful.
一旦您使用了这个产品，我保证你会满意。一旦您使用了这个产品，我保证你会满意。
Once you use this product, I guarantee you will be satisfied.
Once you use this product, I guarantee you will be satisfied.
提醒，提醒。
Remind.
Remind.
我已经提醒他会议时间是下午3点。我已经提醒他会议时间是下午3点。
I have reminded him that the meeting is at 3 p.m.
I have reminded him that the meeting is at 3 p.m.
现在是雨季，妈妈每天都提醒我带伞。现在是雨季，妈妈每天都提醒我带伞。
It is the rainy season now, and my mother reminds me to bring an umbrella every day.
It is the rainy season now, and my mother reminds me to bring an umbrella every day.
多亏你提醒我，我几乎忘了这件事。多亏你提醒我，我几乎忘了这件事。
Thanks to you for reminding me, I almost forgot about it.
Thanks to you for reminding me, I almost forgot about it.
乱，乱。
Messy. Confused.
Messy. Confused.
那个房间又脏又乱，已经很久没有打扫了。那个房间又脏又乱，已经很久没有打扫了。
The room was dirty and messy and hadn't been cleaned for a long time.
The room was dirty and messy and hadn't been cleaned for a long time.
每个周末我都会打扫一下房间，以免房间太乱。每个周末我都会打扫一下房间，以免房间太乱。
I clean my room every weekend to prevent it from getting too messy.
I clean my room every weekend to prevent it from getting too messy.
不要把东西乱放，要及时整理，否则需要的时候却找不到。不要把东西乱放，要及时整理，否则需要的时候却找不到。
Don't put things around, organize them in time, otherwise you won't be able to find them when you need them.
Don't put things around, organize them in time, otherwise you won't be able to find them when you need them.
谢谢观看。